All right, a bounce back of sorts for Bitcoin today after a brutal weekend. Cryptocurrency tumbling well under $18,000 and below its 2017 high point, erasing any gains over the past 4 years. But crypto rallied today back above the $20,000 mark. Experts warn it won't last, though, given its slew of negative crypto headlines and macro factors keeping pressure on sentiment.
Well, it's been a rough year for cryptocurrencies. Prices reached new highs back in November, but by last week, crypto had lost $2 trillion of its market value.
Wow. Now there's a new plan for the feds to regulate cryptocurrencies. KSL consumer investigator Matt Gebhardt has been looking into it and has what you need to know.
Cryptocurrency, it's a meltdown that continues this afternoon.
One word can describe the mass sell-off of crypto: ugly. Many experts chalk it up to investors fearing a recession, switching to less risky assets. Now Congress is mulling over the Responsible Financial Innovation Act, a proposed groundwork for regulating cryptocurrencies.
It'll help investors understand the risks, hopefully.
Brian Nibley is a freelance writer who has covered cryptocurrencies for years. He says one thing the new bill does is it sets legal definitions for key words such as digital asset, smart contract, virtual currency, and others.
It does provide a lot of clarification, particularly for institutional investors who have just been waiting for this for a long time.
The bill also defines most cryptocurrencies as commodities instead of securities. Nibley says that's important because it determines what agency will largely be responsible for regulating crypto.
A commodity would be regulated under the CFTC, security is regulated under the SEC.
And that is a major sticking point for the bill's critics. They argue that the Commodities Futures Trading Commission doesn't have the clout or the teeth of the Securities and Exchange Commission to go after bad guys and regulate cryptocurrencies. But those who are in support of the bill say commodities is exactly where you want crypto to be because it stimulates growth.
It's not really regulation in the sense of clamping down on anything or stifling innovation or anything like that.
The legislation also includes a tax benefit that could help businesses like Bernie and Brothers Barbershop here in Midvale that take crypto.
I think it will be pretty commonplace at some point.
When I met owner Bernie Hyatt, I was only her second customer to pay in Bitcoin. In the new bill, buying goods or services under $200 with crypto would no longer require filing a report with the IRS. That makes buying a haircut with Bitcoin easier.
She may have a few more customers if this passes.
In Midvale, Matt Gebhardt, KSL 5 News.